All right, now, so I want to dedicate this video also to, cleaning and updating and all of that. So I want to go ahead, and only in this video work with the routes. So if we just go to routes right here, and if we go to web, if we go down at the bottom, you can see, that we have all of our routes, but it doesn't look that great to me. I want to actually, if we look at jobs right here, you can see that we have a couple. So I want to actually group those using this keyword right here, which is jobs. All right. So if I just go route group, and if I go ahead right here, and if I go prefix like this, and if I go and add the prefix which is jobs, got this, and paste right here, and I can just go right here and do a closure. It's just a simple function, I can grab all of these, cut and paste right here, and I can simply just leave the jobs right now, and I can add it as a prefix dynamically, just like this. All right, so leave the jobs right here. All right, you can leave the slash or you cannot leave it. It's totally, you know, it's totally up to you. So you possibly want to do this to the others. So let's just copy this. So there is the categories right here. So let's just copy this, go right here and paste. We need to end this with a semicolon. So this right here should be categories like that. All right. So let's just copy this also and paste. All right. So this is users. All right. So let's actually delete the users prefix from here since we already added it at the top. So yeah, let me do this real quick. All right, so right after this, we can just copy this right here and paste. So let's save all of this. All right, so there we go. Nothing is actually nothing, is going to happen. Everything is normal. So yeah, we just saved ourselves like a couple of lines, and we made we made our routes a lot more beautiful, as you can see right here. So yeah, I think that this is all. This was a very short video. All right, so we can actually do a couple things. We can, for example, like um, work with the about and the contact page. They're basically gonna be just a couple of static pages. So if we just go right here, add the resources, and let's go to the master template, which is in layouts right here, app. And if we go down at the bottom, let's see, actually up there. So yeah, there is the home right here. So we just copy this and paste right here. So there is, if we also go down here, so if we just go route about right here, all right, and this will be route contact. All right, so let's go right here at the web, and let's go down here, copy this and paste like 2 times. This will be about all right, and this should actually go to the about function, and the name for it, it's going to be about. All right, and this will also be contact, and this should go to the contact function, and name is contact. So let's go ahead to the home controller, and let's go to controllers right here. I'll go to home. All right, so let's copy this paste. So this will be about like that. So we're not gonna need any kind of data to send. We're just gonna go ahead and go, this will be about like that. All right, so let's actually remove this. So we're gonna go to, let's see, we're gonna go to pages folder first, and then we will go to the about. All right, so let's just paste this in once again. Contact. Let's copy this, and if we go right here and paste in contact, so just save. All right, so let's just go ahead right here. The resources, and if we go to views, let's create this folder which is pages. All right, so inside the pages, I want to go ahead and create about.blade.php. All right, and I want to also go ahead and create contact.blade.php. All right, so check that out. So let's go ahead right here. Let's pick up the contact, for example. Let's grab the design and work with it. So we want to go down at the bottom. So there is the first section that we want to grab, and right after this, yeah, so let's go down and we will stop at the footer. So there we go. Copy this, paste. All right, so I want to go at the top right here, and I want to add in, well, we go to jobs, for example. I want to add in the part for extending. All right, so there's something is wrong because they're not giving me that light. If we try turning this, all right, so contact.blade. All right, so we will see what's wrong with this. And so we want to go right here and section. So let's try and rename this because I'm hearing, I feel like that something is wrong. So this contact.blade.php, like that. All right, so yeah, so if we go to the background, let's go right here. This will be asset. All right, so something is deeply wrong, and we're gonna figure that out in a minute. Cut, paste. So right after this, I want to go and add margin dash top, and I want this to be minus 24 pixels. So let's just save. All right, so we want to go to the contact right here. All right, so view pages.contact, contact not found is not contact. We go down there at pages. Rename. This is contact. Now what's wrong with it? Can't figure it out. Should we keep those? Should we grab those here and paste them? All right, so save this. Let's go to the jobs controller. Let's go down at the bottom, and let's actually try to paste them right here. All right. All right, so I want to go to the routes, and I this right now. So this should be jobs slash jobs controller. Let's copy this also and slash right here. So yeah, should be like that. So Alright, so it's still not finding it. Alright, so just give me a second. Alright, so I don't know what happened, right there, but I actually created the page. If we look right here, I created the page once again, I deleted it and I created it once again. I copied and pasted the same code and it worked perfectly. I was not even identifying the plate template codes right here, but now it does. All right, so I want to just go right here and continue with this. So this will be asset slash images. If I save, the image should actually show up. So everything else will actually be the same except for the images, for example, which is down there. We should go ahead and okay, to do the right path. All right, so this will be assets slash images right here and paste. All right, so we need to copy this one because the image will be similar. All right, so let's save. So now the images should actually show up, as you can see. The second page that we want to go is simply just about right here. All right, and still a blank page. If we go right here to about, let's just go ahead, grab the design starting from this section right here of the image. So let's go down at the bottom and let's grab like everything until the footer. So let's just copy and go right here about, paste. All right, so once again, let's me go right here first and go end section like that. All right, so go right here. If we go to the contact, and if we just copy this, we go right here, paste. So yeah, we go right here. We go to asset. If we go and just go right, it's slash like that and paste and save. So yeah, the other thing that we want to add the margin. So if we just go right here and add, copy this margin and add it, let's just save. All right, so if we refresh this after we save, all right, so as you can see, the page now should actually show up, and we have a couple of pages down at the bottom, that we want to display. So I guess that by now you got how we can display our messages, our images, sorry. So I'm just gonna display like a couple and I will leave the rest for you. All right, so there is the first image that we want to work with So this will be assets slash images paste. So let's copy this, and there is the second image. They're basically the same image, so let's just save. All right, so here is the first image, second one. So yeah, I will leave this video to simply display. So this will be all actually, and I'll see you on the next one.